Hello friends. My name is Mila. Today, I talk about my morning routine. This is perfect lesson for beginners or A2 learners. I speak slowly and clearly. Let's begin. I wake up early every day. I feel a little sleepy. I sit up and check my phone. Then I go to the bathroom. I brush my teeth. I wash my face with cold water. It feels fresh. After that, I go to the kitchen. I make a simple breakfast. I eat bread and eggs. I drink a cup of hot tea. It gives me energy. Then I get ready. I brush my hair. I check my bag. And take my phone, keys, and wallet. I put on my shoes and leave the house. I walk to the bus stop. I see many people. They go to work or school. The morning air is fresh. The street is busy. This is my morning routine. What about you? Tell me in the comments.